here we have the Mexico City Temple. I don't know if they brought this thing because this also is of the similar theme as the current pool pass, you know, the green color. We can go to round 2, but as a first attempt, I'm going to be jumping from the beginning, okay, as I usually do, because if I'm going to fail, then maybe I'm going to attempt round 2. Mostly, I'm going to fail because 6 matches back to back. It's not my break. Okay, so here's the table. Can the blue ball be potted in the top left pocket? What do you people... Oh, okay, that's nice. I'm gonna say this, let's go on an adventure. The previous video had some problem, man. A lot of people did not see it on their YouTube homepage, and that's why it got so less views. I hope so it does not happen this time as well. Now, it's my break. And, okay, this is called pocket on every shot. Okay, so let's go for a bank shot then. Let's add backspin. I'm gonna go for the yellow ball in that pocket, hopefully. Yes, it does go inside. He was definitely not expecting that gyro from the USA. Let's go for the green ball, same pocket. I have to be careful not to touch the black ball every time. There we go. Now the brown ball is gonna go in. Back-to-back bank shots, that's nice. Blue to the purple in the bottom left pocket, hopefully. Now this time I have to control my cue ball pretty nicely, otherwise... Okay, I think the blue is also gonna go in. And I end up in, I'm gonna say, a good position. So if I'm gonna go for the red in the bottom middle pocket and add this spin, yes, that's what I meant. What an amazing match this was, man. This was a great match. And now I'm gonna put the black ball, I guess. Oh, stop, cue ball. Very lucky, but we won the game and an amazing match. Hit the like button. You have to hit. It's rarely that I say it after the first match, but this was awesome. And I think I gotta wait, maybe? Yes, I have to wait a bit. Okay, this is it, guys. Semi-final of round 1. It's my break. I mean, see, my precision, my accuracy has to be very nice when I'm playing a 6-match tournament. That's why I'm also playing with the cue with which I normally play. I haven't switched it, the maxed out Excalibur cue. So I think stripes? I think yes. The break is good. I have to get rid of the green ball first. So I'm going to go for this. And yes. So now I can go for the green ball. Step by step. Okay, not bad. Everything is nice up till now, I think. Oh, but okay, not that nice. I have to go for this shot. And my cue ball. Okay. Absolutely fantastic. Looks like we have won the game. Looks like we have won the game. Can't say for sure. Okay, I have oh, wait, what to do? Which ball to go for? Okay, let's go for this. Bad in long shots. Please wish me luck. Okay, this time I make it pretty nicely. And now I have to go for the red ball. I'm gonna add some backspin. Ah, nice. Nice clearance, guys. Second match won. I now have to go to the finals. This time, I think most likely I have to wait a lot for the next match because this was a very quick denial. So let's find out what happened. Let's say something. That shot belongs in a museum. Up till now, I'm playing this nice. I usually get frustrated, you know, in 6-match tournaments, but up till now, it's okay. So that guy's down to 4 balls. Oh, how lucky! He just pots the cue ball. He is on a 5-win streak. I haven't defeated him yet. And I have to go for solids. But, hold on. Multiple things need to be fixed here. So I'm going to start off by going for this. Add left spin. Okay, absolutely awesome shot this was. Most of the balls are near the bottom right side of the table. I don't need to mention that. Okay, I just... the yellows are there. Only the yellow ball. Should I get rid of the... No, first I'm going to go for this green ball. Oh, don't go inside the pocket, bottom middle pocket, please. Okay, so I think now I should get rid of that yellow ball. Set backspin. There we go. Now I'm going to go for the orange. Now this might be a bit problematic. Let's see. I'm going to add top left spin on this. This is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm going to go for the red. I'm sorry, bro. I mean, you potted the cue ball. Life is unfair sometimes. Should I go for a bank shot on the black ball? Gonna be very stupid, but let's do it. Oh my god, imagine if I'm gonna miss this shot. But I'm not gonna miss this shot, and we won the final of round 1. This is the problem with this tournament. Again, we gotta go and win 3 matches. Alright, so I win, and there's gonna be some fireworks, which I will watch in round 2. Usually round 2, has a lot of incredible players. Okay, let's find out. It should be my break this time, but it doesn't matter. It's not my break. It's not. It's okay. Looks like I'm lucky, but unlucky at the same time. He does not put anything on the break, but the break itself is very bad. It's very bad. Okay, the red ball is gonna go inside. Yes, it does go inside. Now the brown. Guys, what to do? Okay, let's go for this yellow. Add back spin. I don't think so I will be able to win this game. Okay. Only the brown ball is. If the brown ball were not there, this would have been game over. What to do? Okay, so I'm gonna go for the... I could have gone for this, but I'm bad in those shots. Don't go inside at least. Bad! And he's nothing, so he's just gonna hit that lightly. So I'm gonna now buy round 2 with 10 cash, and let's play round 2. It really hurts me, man. The mistake that I made in that, it was not a simple game, but I should have at least hit that purple ball with a lot of force and relied on my luck a bit. But anyways, it happened. Let's try to at least win round 2 directly. I was saying in the beginning that I will attempt normally the first time, then I will buy round 2, and now I'm in a situation where I have to buy round 2 and go for solids actually. Let's go for this red ball. So this time 3 matches needed. I gotta I mean, not in all 6 match tournaments you gotta call pocket on all tables. On all balls. Okay, so let's go for this yellow. There goes the yellow ball. Now, orange is over there. I still need to follow a plan. Okay, let's go for this. No. I can't disturb any ball right now because every ball is in a nice position. And I just want every ball to be where they are. So I'm going to go for a bank shot. Who cares? There we go. Nice. Should have used top spin. But it's gonna work out, so I'm gonna go for the blue. It all depends on the break in a 6 match tournament. Like mostly, it depends on the break. Just let me know, guys, in the comments how many of you have won this, or played this like up till. I mean, you tried till which match you guys, reached. Let me know in the comments. My tongue is slipping. I don't. Again a denial, man. This is why I tell many clip, do not bring the 6 match tournament. It's like, there's a very less probability that someone is gonna win out of, skill. What to do? You don't get the break. There are 6 matches. How is someone gonna win? They have enough brains to, I think this is a hacker. I will be very pissed off if I'm gonna find a hacker now, immediately after that. Oh! Wow, nice shot! Amazing! Now what is gonna happen? Oh, okay, go. Oh! Oh, the brown is gonna go in. Okay, now he's absolutely stuck. Let's see what happens. This is gonna be interesting, guys. Nice shot, man. But there's one thing which I will show. I know for a fact that miniclip is working to patch this hack. I will show you guys actually. I mean, they told me that. I emailed them, and they told me that yes, the developers are working to patch this hack. But I'm really like blown away right now. He's saying epic game, but it's actually not. I'm not going to be playing totally in direct. Okay, but now I think I'm in a position where I am forced. No, but this is not going to go in. Okay, then let's go for this normally. This is a pretty simple solids game, but I'm totally out of focus right now. I'm not really concentrating. I'm just playing for the sake of playing right now. There goes the blue. And now I'm going to... we can win this game, we all know. Oh! Man, I'm not using the hack. I am not using the hack. Please don't think I'm using it. Okay, so now, don't go in. Okay, now I'm gonna go for the orange and then... Because I don't trust him, man. I don't trust anyone. Especially after this hack. Who knows? Maybe that guy is all hacking as well. And now I'm gonna go for the black. Well, I need to accept this was a pretty nice Berlin win. There we go. High risk, high reward. This win kind of, you know, cheered up my mood again. Why is he making those faces? Oh, 3 stripes spotted. No. 2 stripes, 1 solid. There goes the blue ball, and I just blocked my purple ball, but he knows it. Like he's thinking probably what's happening. Oh. Okay, so I hope you people saw what he just did. Purple ball is gonna be most likely freed. Yes, and where's it gonna go, by the way? Again, pretty simple game, man. Okay, let's actually win this game. How many matches? I think if you do a survey, I have lost more matches because of bank shots than I have won. You know, by playing normally in a video. Definitely, this has to be the case, and that is exactly why I'm gonna go for another bank shot on this yellow ball. Please go in. Don't put the cue ball. Absolutely nice. I'm gonna win the game because even if he's gonna get a chance, he's not gonna be playing in direct. So sorry, bro. You cry. I don't know. I don't care. To be honest, you have a lot of coins. You're playing in Seoul. Bye. Oh, I thought he quits the game. He quit the game, but he did not. If I'm gonna go for this, yes. I think it's gonna work out. Yes, black goes. But where's the black gonna go? Is it gonna be in a... Oh, black again. No, it's in a better position than before, definitely. Can I still clear this table? If I'm gonna go for... okay, let's go for this. If I'm gonna go for the purple, add back spin. No. Where I'm gonna go? Hey, don't go behind the bruh. Hey, hold on. I think something's up. Can we win this game? Not in the smoothest manner, but... We learn something new every day. This game I am definitely going to win, mark my words. Oh my god, stripes are flying across the table. I think that's what I said the last time, I guess. But no, this is actually, I think, easy. That backspin on this shot. Yes, this is what I wanted, man. And we are gonna win this game. You people know how. I don't even need to explain. There goes the red. I will try to move forward after this red ball shot like this, so that I can go for the yellow in the perfect angle. And we are gonna win this game. So let's add backspin. Still, spin is pretty crucial right now in this shot. I'm gonna play one last 9-ball pool match, and then I'm gonna end the video as usual. Stun shot! Oh, amazing. Amazing stuff. Go, go, go! Wow. I got unlucky. I mean, no, not unlucky. Well, my aim needed to be better. Oh, we can go for the 9-ball, I guess. No, but... Okay. 9-ball potting battle going on. That's how you do it. I'm sorry, but he has the maxed out invisible cube. Alright guys, so then I'm gonna end the video actually right now. Yes, I know we were unable to win the Mexico City Temple, but I'm not that keen to win it because I already hate 6-match concepts in this game. And yes. What else do you want? Okay, bye.